Now to our coronavirus coverage for the day. A sudden and surprising halt to several testing sites, leaving people in Sacramento scrambling to find a place to go.
That's right. Take a look at this map here. 5 community-based testing sites are now closed, many of them serving low-income communities. CBS 13's Renee Santos is getting answers on the impact of this. She is live at Oak Park right now at one site that is still open. Right, Renee?
Yeah, and bottom line is with these closures, there will be likely a change in the number of cases because the amount of people that were getting tested simply won't be the same. And it may look like cases are going down when in fact they're likely going up. Now, St. Paul Missionary Baptist Church is offering testing still. It's one of 2 sites, including Cal Expo, but it is by appointment only. County leaders telling us that they say a shortage in testing material sent by the federal government is to blame for all of this.
Man, you got numbers of people, different nationalities.
Marshall spent hours looking for a place to get tested for coronavirus. He's already feeling the effects of a major testing shortage.
I had a couple of runs around, you know.
After the immediate closure of community-based testing sites, it left him turning to St. Paul Missionary Church.
Yeah, I want to know, but I work like maintenance in an apartment on G Parkway, and I'm around multiple people.
My biggest concern going forward is that this takes a long time to solve.
Sacramento County Health Director Dr. Peter Billingson says a shortage in testing material controlled by the federal government has stopped without warning. It comes at a time when testing in the county is up almost 19,000% from the start of the pandemic, going from 100 to now 19,000 people a week.
This can affect our numbers in terms of number of people that are being tested.
More importantly, he says, is the impact to the Latino and Black communities, working families these sites were serving.
And it's crucial to their health as well as the health of the public.
With limited access to testing, the 2 sites still open, Cal Expo and St. Paul, will likely see an increase in people registering to get tested, leading to long wait lists and some people being turned away. It's a concern for county leaders and people like Marshall, a maintenance man who hasn't stopped working.
And just think of the thousands that we got that haven't been tested, you know.
Now, Dr. Billingson says that those testing materials are prioritized by the federal government. He says we will likely see a change in numbers, and that could be problematic when it comes to preparing for hospitalizations.